Anaya! Ooh, what do we have today? What is it? Wow, it's a hop along unicorn, guys, for lots of bouncing fun. Yeah, it's ELC. Well, it's by ELC. It's 1 to 3 years of age. Wow, check it out. It's pink. What color is it? Is it pink? Shall we open it, Anaya? Let's open it. Look. Anaya, look. I've opened it. Look. Whoa. What is it? Check it out, Anaya. Look at this beautiful unicorn. You like it? Wow. We need to pump it up. Okay. So. Go. Get a pumper. Come on, Anaya, let's pump it up. You help me? Yeah? Okay, you can help me. Come here. You stand here. And pump. Let's pump up the unicorn, guys. Go on, Anaya, you can do it. Yeah, well done. Okay, I'll do it. You think that's enough, Anaya? Or does it need more? Look at the unicorn, guys. Beautiful unicorn for little babies and toddlers. I think that might be enough. Woo. Ta-da! It's all done, Anaya. You like a unicorn? Check it out. Come on, Anaya, bounce. Hopping along on the beautiful unicorn. Do you like it?
I think she wants to
Boing,
get out.
boing.
Woo.
Yay! Are you on a unicorn? Wow.
I don't think she knows if she wants to get on or get off.
A beautiful unicorn.
If you look closely, you can see it's got teeth.